In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Udemy account email on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm your email safely and quickly so you can access your courses and account settings without any hiccups. Start by opening your desktop browser and going directly to udemy.com. Using the official site helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account secure. On the homepage, look for the Login or Sign Up button in the top right corner. Choose the option that matches what you need. If you already have an account and just need to verify the email on it, use Login. If you're creating a new account, choose Sign Up. Next, enter the email address you want to verify and click Continue. Make sure you type it carefully. Verify that there are no typos and that it's an inbox you can access right now. Once you proceed, Udemy will send a 6-digit verification code to that email address. This code proves you control the inbox you entered and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Keep in mind, the code is time-sensitive and usually expires after about 15 minutes, so it's best to grab it right away. Now, open your email inbox in a new tab or window. Look for a message from Udemy that contains the 6-digit code in the subject line or near the top of the email. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to arrive and refresh your inbox. Also, check any filtered folders your email service uses, such as spam, junk, promotions, or updates, in case it was routed there. Be cautious of any emails that don't come from Udemy or that ask for anything beyond the code. You should never share this code with anyone. Return to the Udemy tab where you were prompted for the code. Keep that page open while you retrieve the email so the session doesn't time out. Type the 6-digit code exactly as it appears in your email. If you prefer, you can copy and paste, but double-check that you didn't include any extra spaces before or after the numbers. Entering the code correctly confirms your email address and completes verification. After the code is accepted, you should see a confirmation on Udemy or be taken to the next step in your account setup. That's it. Your email is verified on desktop. Remember, always access Udemy through the official website and keep your account details private. Thanks for watching and enjoy your learning.